I was to sum up why you should partner with Cloudastructure in one sentence, I would say it's because they have a very entrepreneurial mindset and they're willing to grow with you in your business and kind of tailor around your needs and how you operate on a day-to-day basis. It's not, this is our product, this is how we work, and we can't deviate from this. They'll sit down with you, they'll spend time with you, they say, hey, how do you operate? What are your hours of operation? We operate a truck lot. It's open 24/7, 365. So don't think twice, don't waste your time talking to other groups. Everyone's gonna say they have AI. They functionally don't. They're gonna say that they have a monitoring team. They also likely don't. I would also say from the design perspective, if there's a new property that you're bringing online or a new development, getting on with Cloudastructure from the very beginning has been extremely beneficial for me. They're working side by side with our electrical engineers and our designers and developers. We're collaborating very closely on different conduit runs and fiber and which cameras should be placed where. They're very thoughtful on ingress and egress around the entrance and exit gates. Truly, from the moment you get a new property or a location that you want to bring online with them, from the design to the installation to the monitoring, it is a full-on white glove service, and I'm sorry that I didn't find them sooner, quite frankly.